Hello traders, welcome to another episode of Trade Breakdown. Kindly help the channel by clicking the subscribe button, like the video, and endeavor to ring the notification bell. In today's episode, price pullback on 15-minute time frame and a rapid movement of price to the downside, which serve as a supply, was introduced. After the introduction of the supply, price continued to consolidate for a long period of time on 15-minute before a demand, which caused a rapid movement of price that invalidated the previous supply and led to the change of character was introduced. At this point, the demand was selected as a point of interest for price to pull back to it. I switched to 10-minute time frame for confirmation on the point of interest in concern. Price gradually pulled back to the point of interest, and a change of character on the pullback confirmed the validity of the point of interest selected. After this confirmation, I placed a pending order on the last sell candle before the buy and a stop loss below it. Price triggered the order, and I switched to 5-minute to manage the trade accordingly. On 5-minute time frame after the first order was initiated, the demand that led to a change of this character was selected for another possible entry. Price pulled back to the demand, and I sit patiently to see if the demand zone can push the price to go above the last high, which is any area above the red line on the chart, and that will show the validity of the demand before an order can be placed. When the high was taken, I tried to locate the demand that took the high, and I was confused on where to place the order because I have two valid demand zones for an order to be placed. Since I have a running position already, I neglected the first demand and placed an order on the second. Mainly because I felt price might use the first demand for an inducement for the second demand, due to the fact that the second demand was unmitigated. Price triggered the second entry, and I have two positions running. I sit patiently for price to do its things, and after some period, price moves rapidly to the upside. When the price got around 1.31550, I was already on 1 to 2 risk to reward on the first position, and 1 to 4 risk to reward on the second position, making a total of 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. After some period, price started to pull back. The stop loss on the second position got hit, and the 1 to 4 risk to reward that was already achieved was lost back to the market. Then I proceeded by putting the second position on break even because I did not want to lose 2 trades on single analysis. Price does its things, and the second position was stopped on break even. After some period, price still moves to the predicted direction. Assuming I did not put the second trade on break even, I could have still captured the second trade. No regret or whatsoever, because loss and price direction disappointment is part of the game. Keep your psychology locked in, and you will experience huge success in this game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to help the channel. Thanks for your time. See you in the next one. Goodbye.